Hey YouTube, I'm gonna make this really quick. I've got roughly knee-high snow outside here. I'm just trying to get this in real quick before I go out there. You're not gonna be able to hear me in the wind. It's gonna be noisy. It's gonna suck. Let you guys watch it. I'm gonna end up doing half the driveway. I want to wait until the storm is done so I can actually try to move feet of snow with the snow pusher, and I can show you what the 574 will do in really deep snow.
A little over 20. We've got between 14 and 18 more coming. $20 3/4.